walk, folks. We're gonna see if we see the desert area. Down. Used to be out here plentiful.
They have them out airport road, right?
They used to be out here plentiful. Look at them. They chop them down. Destroy everything that's historical. But they're putting up these homes over here. They were so they apparently they're removing the cacti and doing big house development. But they still look out for them. People must not die in them. And the homes. There you are now. Cacti area. So this is the desert area. See some operate here, right here, and then you see a lot on the left over here. So this is the desert of Jamaica. This is the desert of Jamaica. Cacti. After the cacti, we have what they call brackish, not blackish, but brackish water, and where the fresh water and the seawater mix, and it forms like a swampy area on the right, and lots of crabs and alligators, or crocodiles and crabs are in this region. Can't see the water from the road, but believe it or not, it's there. We're approaching Hillshire from this at this point, Hillshire, and we have an official Hillshire beach and a rootsy Hillshire area. So that's what we are going to, the rootsy section. We have showed you that before. I mean, miss it?
Yeah.
I mean, ship from it.
Yeah, that's what we mean.
Yeah. Welcome to Seafort. That's the official area.
Down there,
And then we go up to the rootsy section.
yeah, but not on.
Yeah, one couple of times. Never like it. It's full of trash. But guy set up himself here as nice as ever. And here we are. You see this hotel? It probably still works. So now we are turning left. We're going down into the rootsy part of Hillshire, where the Rasta men run their business. They stop you because you may not get no park up here this time of the day. It's busy. Over here it's where rich and poor. You see all these expensive vehicles out here. I'm telling you. Then we can't get you.
Evening, my love.
Hey, what's going on?
Blessed Father, why are you parking in the sea?
No, we're going to shorty, but them block me.
No, not really. I don't think so.
Like something was coming on.
And here it's rootsy. Rootsy area. $100. What's up?
Nice.
12 o'clock. Hey, I work. You want me to help you? But deliver.
Can't go down this one.
See my blood. Relax, Shirley, relax. Relax. Right. Look how easy it is. Light like I don't know what.
Alright, respect.
Alright, come up, sir, boss. Let's go, sir. So this is Jamaica. Alright. But they'll drive. With music. Alright, cool. So around here the music is playing, but we just have to take things with the culture. I'm telling you. Take life with the culture. Roots the place. Oh, which one? Yeah.
Mr. Burtos,
Mr. Burchus.
reggae singer.
Shipping the Explorer, man.
Triple Explorer?
Yeah.
What's it all about? Talk to me.
Travel and life and genealogy.
Okay, so you want me to know?
No, you can tell me.
Big
Man,
you up.
you yourself, you join.
Big you up.
So tell me your name and then we just put you on this thing.
Where's my name?
Shipping the Explorer.
Shipping Explorer.
Shipping
Alright.
the Explorer.
Ship
And you
what?
do what? Shippy.
I'm a reggae singer.
Oh, you're a reggae singer.
Shipping Explorer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ready.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Give me new tune. Give me TikTok on it.
Oh,
Give me TikTok on it.
yeah, man. I want me to change it back.
Long time. Ready for it?
Eh? Say it again.
Yeah.
Oh, me have 4%. That's
Explorer.
This is Shipping the Explorer meeting Birdie there.
You know my song? Mad Sick, Head No Good. Mad Sick, Head No Good.
Yes.
Put them up on it fast.
Yeah, do it fast.
Right
Yeah.
name?
Shippy the Explorer.
Chippy?
Shippy.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Chippy. Go on in there.
Go on.
Chippy or Chippy?
Shippy, like a shipwreck.
Yeah. Chippy.
Yes.
Chippy
Like
Explorer.
a shippy the man.
Ready?
Yeah.
Chippy Explorer. Send a lion, load the wheel, taps and roast to the tea. All you have to do is tap the screen. TikTok, morning, new night a TikTok. Go road forward, come back. Triple Explorer in a #1 spot. Castro, TikTok. She said she want a split with the grabber well hot. All she a pray a TikTok. Me used to get pampering but TikTok. All she a watch a TikTok. TikTok. People business a chat. Who a slim roast for who big and fat. Me wish baby me report with a come back. Explore and watch. You with the day and I watch TikTok. Everybody will see the pan it a watch. Oh gosh. Everybody will see the pan it a
We're up on the Hillshire beach.
We're up on the Hillshire beach.
Explorer.
Ship the Explorer.
Jamaica, we're there, the place to be. I know someone says ship the Explorer. We want the people to come right round here.
Yes.
Bertus and Babylon Canada. Every time you kiss me, I'm still not certain that you love me. Oh baby. Every time you hold me, I'm still not certain that you. I'm an African soul. Ship it.
I tell you, man, Rasta man, I tell you, cool. Yes.
Let her drink with the man.
Eh?
Let her drink with it.
Yeah.
No, I pressure you.
Yeah.
No man, a big deal. We have to do
Yeah.
one day when you over plaza, when you want it nice, get
Yeah.
the right thing where
Yeah.
it's nice and coming out background enough.
Yeah.
I see him here still.
Yeah, but it's nice, man, because hear it nice. Too much nice. You want to hear
Yeah,
the
because we can't pick up the music because there was some. Yeah.
next day.
Yeah.
This guy use the though.
Well, me not sure because if they recognize the
A
music,
style, man, a style.
if they find the music,
It's a
they will-
style.
And then I
Yeah.
put more there.
Eh?
And I put
It's
more
about
side there.
authentic thing. but-
No,
And I put more side there.
no, but the concert spring.
Yeah, man. And you
Yeah.
know about this?
Yeah,
Yo, give one next one. Give one next.
yeah.
one drive. I'm gonna make
But when me come back because me I travel next week.
No worry yourself, man. No worry yourself, man.
Next
You
week.
all have travel though. No, no, no.
Africa,
You all have travel. No
Eh?
worry.
Africa?
Most time me there in Washington, beside the bad man.
What may I say? What may I say? When I let out this? When
Bertus, and this is
Mr. Bertus.
Mr. Bertus.
MRBERTUS.
Right.
I'm blessed. Don't stress. Check me out on all social media. Ship it. Zip it.
Repeat
Predator.
together. I'm Predator.
Yeah.
Why not? Stop the plane and let me up, make me fly. Shipping Explorer sick. Tell them to clear the way me have van trucks, a Predator. No medication.
I tell you.
I remember a man saying now when you go there, when you fly go over so and come back, link him. Can get more artists here too.
Oh,
We're
right.
going to bust a channel here.
Well, we'll see. Well, yeah, man.
You know,
No.
You bust you know.
All right,
Yes, you
go
come
bust.
bust.
Yeah, man. Ship
Alright,
the
so you
Explorer.
come-
One day in Africa, one day in Jamaica.
Yeah, and we are going to send you. We are going to
Good before you leave.
Yeah, wait.
Nah, pressure you.
No, well, me have a friendship thing with Shorty, so
Yeah, man.
we soon tell
No,
him.
yeah, we are going to bust you daddy.
Why not drink?
Eh? Bring a Heineken. Yeah. Bring a Heineken.
No, man, I set up an account right here,
Bring a
sir.
Heineken for me.
Just tell him what you want. Heineken?
Bring a cool Heineken.
So, your baby.
Yeah, man. Bring
Cool
out
Heineken.
All right. Okay. This is Hillshire, folks. This is the excitement. This is the excitement. I'm telling you. There was once a tree out there where we could see and play with the kids. And now it's gone.
That's the warrior, that wasn't there.
What?
That,
Wall?
no, not the wall, the painting, like the tree.
Oh yeah. If I remember there was a tree there when I was a baby. Yeah. So we are here. Excitement in near downtown Kingston, folks. Shipping it. So here we're talking about was one time the beach used to be where you see the buildings are falling across. There, the beach used to come right up to there, and now it's gone. Let's show you. Yes, the beach used to be right across here, man. One time it's in the front, straight across this beach, this building was beach, and now it's gone. I'm telling you. So even now it looks as rough as ever. But no matter what, the kids are enjoying themselves. Enjoying themselves, I tell you. Yep. Well, there you go. Woo. All right, I'll catch you before you music comes. This is on the beach trucks. This is one of the free beaches of Kingston, Kings of Jamaica, and you see, we are enjoying it. The kids are enjoying it. And the music, we have to catch it quick before the music. Here we go. Yeah, they find that this is on Hillshire, folks. This is one of the last 3 beaches of Jamaica. So this is it. With the sun setting, the kids are playing. We are on the beach. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. I tell you what, they're the American with the mud coffee. They were hearing it. Yeah.
I'm not nervous. I just need to organize myself.
I'm the one to do it before the music catch me.
Hold that, hold that.
Music will catch me. So when you come to Hillshire, you can get your fresh fish. Get your fresh fish and all that.
Wow.
There we go. So what you do, you just throw the sauce. Throw the sauce over it. Throw the sauce over it. There we go. There we go. There we go. Eh?
Come on the head. That's enough.
Yeah. The way you took it.
Huh? You just put it together one.
All right.
You eat from that.
Okay. So now it's time to. This is one of the roots of place that you can just have. And we have been doing this for 40 years, folks, and it's still operating. It's rustic, it's rusty, it's noisy, but this is Hillshire, outside Kingston, not even 10 miles out of Kingston. Only one to give us? And we're gonna dig in like we're in Africa. Dig in with your finger. The spice is kicking on your throat. Then you get a hold of a festival. Man, I think I put too much pepper on this. I put too much pepper on it.
Huh?
I put too much pepper on it. Yeah? Alright. So we're just gonna dig in, folks, and enjoy it. Believe it or not, though, folks, this pepper is killing me. Well, I'm not stopping. It's killing me. But when you see fish like this, you can't stop. I was enjoying the pepper so much, so I threw some more in there. So we're working through this fish, folks. ladies going through the fish egg. Turn it around, see the eye. To damage the fish. Here we go. Damage the fish egg. Alright, to wrap up now. So as the sun goes down, folks, this is as the sun, we hear the music rocking in the background, we are looking at the beach front, and so it is. We wrap up this closed day of Hillshire, Rootsy Beach, outside Kingston. Shipping Explorer saying bye for now. This is how the fish is done on the cold fire inside the rack, and deep fat fry. Yeah, that's how it's done. Hey, where were you for a fish meal? From 19th century.
Record.
Yeah, man. YouTuber. Vlog, yes.
Alright, yes. Welcome to Shorty's Joint Seafood at Hillshire Beach. I am Top Chef Fresh, one of the best chefs on Hillshire Beach. Yes, and in the kitchen we have Top Chef Gavin, Top Chef Annie, and my beautiful wife out there, Shanti.
Yeah. So I'm not related to Shanti, but no say my son-in-law.
Yeah.
So you're with her, the granddaughter?
The daughter-in-law.
Hey, and you're the granddaughter too?
No, my beautiful wife.
Oh, your wife.
Yeah.
So you're what, grandson?
My mother. And my little brother, a Shorty grandson.
Oh,
I don't relate it. I just related to the blood.
I'm from 1970 something we are coming in.
Yeah, guys, when you come to Hillshire Beach, remember Top Chef Fresh on Hillshire Beach, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, everywhere you find me, Top Chef Fresh. Baddest to the maddest.
I'm Shipping the Explorer. I'm gonna give you a card.
Yeah, give me a card.
I was the little girl that's always there at the session.
Oh, with him? With her?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Alright, cool. Alright, how much more are you? That was 100? Alright, cool. So here we are pulling out of Hillshire, folks, Roots Hillshire. And so, this is Shipping the Explorer is saying it has been a heck of a Father's Day, wonderful Father's Day. Take us into the ghetto country of this place. I'm not sure if the official Hillshire Beach would have been this exciting. With the music and all that, we'll probably have copyright with this music, but here we go. We pull out just as the sun goes down. Here we go. This is the new Portmore, folks. Chinese development. Another funny road. So this is a new trend. New trend. It's a new city. Ibex. What is Ibex? A movie. But this is a new trend. I'm telling you. But we're pulling out of the city now, folks.